after Mavis Staples. And we found out after we chose the name that it's an Old English word and it means songbird, and she's becoming more and more songbirdy every day, and more Mavisy every day. I think we kind of nailed it with the name thing. It turns out it's really hard to name a human being. Who knew? Mavis, honey, this is going out to you. This is called Songbird. Oh, songbird, in my darkest night, you sing so sweetly, I can't be afraid. Over my path, your song casts a light so bright, so real, I won't lose my way. I set true north by you, so all directions too. Songbird, what did I do before you? What did I do before you? Oh, songbird, in my weariest day, a few clear notes is all I need, and I see without warning a precious ray, magic in each ordinary thing. You illuminate, renew, take the sad out of the blue. Songbird, what would I do without you? What would I do without you? How'd you get so strong, such a little thing? Is it your song that makes you brave? My whole world rests on those tiny wings, but you don't seem to mind the way. Set true north by you, so all directions too. Songbird, what did I do before you? What did I do before